Tepid takes with North-South. Today's episode, we're covering media calculus. You might remember today's topic from a moment ago in the intro, and it is media calculus. Is this backwards? I don't know. Whatever. I'll fix it in editing. I'm not going to do any editing. What do I mean by media calculus? Well, calculus, right now we know it as like a specific field of math, but calculus is just calculating. So any logistical topic can be called a calculus. And media, it's, hey, look at me, this is my face, boop, 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 boop. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm making media. The calculus I'm referring to is specifically the fact that I'm not going to do any editing. That this is, these are my intro cards right here. Because you know what? I have no idea what's going to be popular, and being able to just put out stuff, at least for now, is better than putting out polished stuff. I do want to make a distinction here. I don't mean quality stuff, because you can have low polish, high quality. I think I'm low polish, high quality. Look at me. I'm glamorous. I'm gorgeous. Also, I'm wearing my college sweatshirt. I have not did my hair, although my hair does look amazing. So if you want to put that in the comments and ask for my hair routine in the comments, go ahead and do that. And if you want to give me money to sell a hair product that I don't use, I guess I could try using it. I don't know. It depends on the product. Anyway, we're off topic. I feel like media calculus is a good topic to start with here because partly, by trade, I'm a statistician. I have a master's degree in demographic and social analysis, or just social science, kind of with an emphasis in statistics. Whatever you want to call it. Undergrad was in economics, so you got to do a bunch of number crunching there. So cool, I got big math brain. Look at me, big strong boy. And I want to offset the fact that I have esoteric, grand wizardly knowledge of the numbers and the numeromancy, by the fact that I'm not really flexing the, shall we say, appeal to authority, because that would be a fallacy, and I don't want to commit a fallacy, so I have to be a little slovenly in order to be honest and not try and convince people merely through credentials or polish or poise that I am correct, despite being correct in all things, obviously. It's a joke. I'm not correct in all things. Yet. My basic thesis here is that currently, with media and social media and everything being a pretty saturated field, I think there is something to be said for just putting stuff out there to see what gets some traction, and then later I can always redo a topic with more polish, more effort. But at the moment, my expectation is that any video I make will probably get a few views. And that's fine. If I don't pour hours and hours of effort into it, if I don't put my identity into oh my God, I have crafted this thing, this is important, I need validation. Nah, I'm gonna make it a little extra crappy so that if nobody watches it, I can personally, emotionally hedge my bets and blame that on the fact that I didn't do my best work. And I think that line of thinking, if you apply it to everything, could be a bad idea, but I think it's the correct decision here and now for reasons I don't know and cannot articulate. And I could approach this with a probabilistic expected payoff model of let's say Bayesian statistics or something, where you're taking expected outcome and expected cost and multiplying the probability of various outcomes to the probability of various costs and various benefits, blah 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 blah. And I could be oh, look at me, I'm a big smart math person, I can teach you big smart math stuff. But at the end of the day, there are already hundreds of videos on that topic and related topics here on YouTube. And I think I don't want to try and push that I'm the math guy, I know math, I can teach you math. I'm going to push I don't know. I'm just doing my thing. If people like it, maybe some people will be oh my God, I'm into that. Or maybe some people will be oh, it's so candid and speaks to me, how refreshing. Cool. Well, that sounds great. I don't know what you want. And I just know, honestly, I don't even know what I have to offer, because maybe my brain smarts, Maybe my luscious beard is the whole thing that's going to be like, oh, this is what my online personality, this is what people want, is just more beard shots. I feel like a beard shot probably already is something. Anyway, um, so yeah, this is just me kind of throwing my hat in the ring to be like, hey, look at me, hear my voice, see my face, behold, pay me attention. And a little bit of a tangent, but something that like I think it is really interesting that the verb is pay attention because like attention kind of is the scarcest resource. Not that there isn't much of it, but you can't make more of it. We can pour rocks and sand into the ocean and make more islands faster than we can make more attention because, well, you can only pay attention to so many things at once. And I think the attention economy is kind of where we're going in a lot of ways. And, well, I have my undergrad degree is in economics, so I could say I'm an economist. And so attention economy includes the word economy. So that's in my wheelhouse. So now I'm an expert on that. Yeah. All right. Well, I think I covered the topic that I meant to cover and some other topics a little bit. This is my face. If you like it, like and subscribe. If you don't like and don't subscribe, or just or type in the comments how much you don't like my face, or my voice, or my cavalier attitude, or if you do like my whatever I'm doing, you could also put that in the feed my algorithm. Feed my algorithm. That's all that matters. Please, please. All right. Well, outro slogan here.